Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily refund a Game Pass in Roblox. Now this is a very easy process. Make sure to watch the whole process step by step so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first step that you want to take is actually by opening up your preferred browser, head down to roblox.com and here go down to the link. Now here you change the home to support. Now this will open up the contact us page because here we're going to sign in all our information, so the first name, email address, confirm your email address, and here is the important stuff. We're going to issue the details. Now here we want to select the device we're using, so for me it's a PC. Make sure to use the device which you bought the Game Pass on. From there we want the type of help category. Now here we want to scroll down till we find the purchases using Robux. Now here please select an in-experience item, so this means the Game Pass, for example, and this is very important that you use this description. Hello, I want to refund the Game Pass, and then quote the one that you've just bought, which cost me the amount of Robux that you sent, and here send I bought it recently and this was a mistake. Can you please help me? Now from there you press continue, and what they will do, they will contact you to refund the Game Pass for you. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.